Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Enduro 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the backlight timeout duration on this device. Basically how quickly the backlight will turn off after you stop using your watch. First we need to open the menu and we can do it by pressing and holding the up/menu button. Once you open the menu, you can scroll through the menu by using the down and up buttons. Select the option called System and then press the start/stop. Here, scroll down, find the option called Backlight and then press the start/stop. And right here we have a couple of options: during activity, general use and during sleep. And we can customize the backlight settings for every state or mode of the watch, basically. During activity means when you're tracking the activity on your watch, something like running, cycling and stuff like that. General use is when you're not doing anything like tracking activity or sleeping. And the sleeping is when the watch detects that you're sleeping, basically. Okay, so first let's select the during activity, then press start/stop. And here we have at the bottom option called Timeout. We can select it, press the start/stop, and here we have durations: 4 seconds, 8 seconds, 15, 30 and 1 minute, and no timeout. Select the duration you like, for example 15 seconds, and press the start/stop to confirm. And now during the activity, when I'm tracking the activity, the backlight will turn off after the 15 seconds. Then we can go back, select general use, scroll down, select timeout, press start/stop, and select something like 15 seconds too. So select 15 seconds, and now during the general use, the backlight will turn off automatically after 15 seconds. So it should be right about now. Oh, now. Okay, let's go back, select the during sleep, and here we can also select timeout and select something, for example, like 4 seconds, and then go back. And once you're done, you can keep pressing back button until you see the watch face. And that's how you change the backlight screen timeout, or rather backlight timeout duration on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.